The Allo Intense Nuud 50K is part of Allo's New Intense series, built around richer, stronger flavors and a clear tank design you don't see on most disposables. At the time of recording, it's priced at $32.99, working out to just $1.64 per milliliter. The main thing that sets the Nude 50K apart is the transparent tank. Instead of a traditional cotton-wick system, it uses a clear tank setup that lets you physically see your e-liquid level at all times. Allo also claims 99% e-liquid utilization, meaning almost nothing goes to waste. No guessing, no dry hits sneaking up on you. Each device comes pre-filled with 20 milliliters of e-liquid at 20 milligrams per milliliter nicotine strength, delivering up to 50,000 puffs. You get adjustable airflow to customize the draw, and an 850 mAh rechargeable battery with USB-C charging. The form factor is compact and pocket-friendly. The one I have here is Pineapple Ice, a bright golden pineapple with a cool exhale. It's sweet without being heavy, and the ice keeps it clean. Day to day, there's nothing complicated here. Adjustable airflow, good capacity, and a clear tank so you always know where you stand. If you like the idea of actually seeing your juice level instead of relying on a screen, the Nude 50K takes a different approach worth checking out.